Hey guys, Foggy here, and this is ride number 2 of our McLean Creek series. We are tackling gravel pit, top of the world, and I may or may not have wrecked my drone in this one. So hope you enjoy. See you on the trail. Not very bright. It's not bad. We actually started way down at the south end, staging there, and we just kind of doing this massive loop. So you run into one spot up here where like the whole track is pretty rutted out. If you go to the left, okay, there's a small little trail you can snake yourself through. You probably see our tracks, but every other trail there is it's brutal. So you kind of have that one trail. It's definitely doable though. Have you guys been up to top of the world?
No, where is that? And we can tell you where
we were.
Marker 72 is kind of where the top of the world is.
Yeah. So yes, that's where we.
That's where we just.
That's where we were.
Okay.
This is steep but really
pretty steep.
Gotcha. Okay.
This once you get here, there was some like I
Yeah,
had
yeah,
to get
yeah.
out of this.
Okay, fair enough. Gotcha.
It's the rock ledges, right? Like they come and then they drop 16 inches.
Right. Yeah. Yeah.
Do you know what I'm saying? So,
So-
these long ones,
Yeah. So you belly out.
you get, yeah.
Yeah.
And
Gotcha.
you want to skid over them a bit.
Cool.
All right.
Awesome. Yeah. Well, you guys have fun. Thanks for the info,
Yeah.
and
You too.
safe travels for you guys.
Oh, you too.
All right. Take care. All right, folks. I think we made her to the best staging area for the top of the world. We are going to be making our way out there right now. Hopefully, I heard there's some pretty good rock ledges and stuff like that. So hopefully it'll be interesting, and we don't wreck the machine or ourselves. So. Alright guys, we think we made her to trail marker 204, which is directly behind us here. So we're really hoping that's it, because that will be the trail that will take us up, if we can make it, to the top of the world. So we will see. Well, we're slowly picking our way up, hopefully to get to the top of the world. I will say this, it's a couple good rock ledges. One previous that you guys seen us backing down from was this guy right here, and you've probably seen it's about a good 4 to 5 footer, and there's just absolutely no way that we would have made it up this at all. Just made me a little nervous. So we ended up backing down and we took the bypass up and around, and it also had some good rock ledges over there too. Just to give you a point of reference as to how tall this rock is, yeah, it's a good, probably closer to 5 feet. So this rock is actually called Drive Shaft Rock. nonetheless, we're still picking our way. Hopefully we can get up to the top here, but we'll see. The old pucker factor had set in there a few times, so. But anyway, we're gonna continue on here. Well folks, we made her to the top of the world, and let me tell you, the old pucker factor was in full force coming up this trail. Holy smokes. Again, I'm not much of a rock climber, so I guess you know what, learned something new about rock climbing, and you just gotta take it easy and you just kind of pick your lines and work your way up. So but we're at the top of the world. This is absolutely a gorgeous view up here, and yeah, I don't know what else to say. We're just happy we made it. We got to make our way all the way down. We don't know which trail we're going to take at that point, but one thing we can say is we have conquered the top of the world. As always guys, if this is the end of the video, thanks for watching. We will see you on the next one. Well folks, in an effort to try to get you guys some drone footage up here, my drone decided to slide off the launching pad, smash itself into the rocks, and I'm down a propeller. It broke off this small piece here, and yeah, so unfortunately no drone footage from the top of the world. You know what, these things happen. I took a chance. It's windy up here, and it is what it is. So all right guys, in saying that, kind of a crappy ending here, but nonetheless we still absolutely enjoyed the day, and again, we'll see you on the next one. Take care.